Hello and welcome. My name is Liz, for those that don't know me. I have decided that I'm going to do a 7-day training series for you guys on Canva. So let's get started and jump in with our video. I'm going to share my screen with you. So let's go. Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to look at text effects and photo effects. So let's just pull up some text, so T for text, and let's just type any old thing in. I'll just leave it with your paragraph text. That's probably a good thing to keep it on. I'm going to zoom in a bit. Okay, so when we click on that, we can now go up to effects up the top. And you've got these different effects that you can use. So this is where you also find how to curve your text. So let me move my recording stuff up out of the way. And if I scroll down a little bit further, see this line here? This moves the shape of your curve. So depending on how you want it to be. So I do like using the curved writing. I think it's great. Also, you can use like the shadows, the lift, and you can change the intensity of it. You've got the hollow, splice, echo. Now with these ones, with the echo and the shadow, you can actually change the color that's behind them. Just for a bit of fun. So yeah, they're good ones to play around with and to use in your designs. You can also space your letters out, which always makes it look a bit more professional. Probably not when we're doing curved writing, but when you're doing headers and things, the spacing makes a big difference. Okay, so if I now turn those off, turn that off, right. So now if we go into the actual text down here, you also have your brand text will automatically appear here. Then you also have the recently used, and then there's combinations of fonts that Canva have put together that look good together. So you can use all of those as well. You just click on them and change the text. So that's pretty simple. You can also animate the text by clicking on animate and then picking any of these text animations. So that's how you edit the text. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to edit some photos. So if we pull up a photo, let's just pick this one because it's in the trending bit. Just zoom out a little bit so you can see it better. So at the top here, you've got edit image. So in this edit image, you can go into adjust and you can change all these different brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. Fiddle around with them, make your pictures a bit brighter, a bit darker, whatever you need to. You can also scroll down a bit further and you've got all the different filters. So maybe for your brand, you might like to have like a filter that's a bit lighter. You can just apply this to all your designs and all your photos and everything will match. You know, which filter you like, of course. You get grayscale. You've got lots of different options. So that your filters. You also have this auto enhance. So this actually is for blurring out your background a bit. So this probably isn't a good photo to show for that. Maybe we can pick another photo. Let's delete that out. And maybe if we pick this lady, we can blur out the back. So again, click on the image. And if we go down to the auto enhance, we can change the intensity. Doesn't really make much difference, does it? It blurs the background just a little bit. So that one, I think that was a very good photo to choose. But you know, we're just playing around here. So autofocus is another one that you can play around with your photos. So this is the one I was thinking of, I think, where it's, see how it's made the dog in focus and everyone and the lady and the background is now blurry. So that's actually the one I was thinking of. All right, and then you've got the face retouch, so you can like fix red eyes and things, I believe, in there. No, didn't want to work. That's okay, we don't need to use that one. All right, so that's how I would edit photos. You can also crop them, flip them, or animate them so that they come in just like the other ones do. Okay, all right. So that'll do for this video. So that's how to edit text and images. If you've got any questions, please let me know. And we have one more video left in this series, and it is going to be all about shadows. Okay, till then, have a lovely day. I hope that this video has helped you, and if you are enjoying it and you'd like to see some more, please like and subscribe and follow along with this series. I will drop a playlist at the end here so that you can find the rest of the videos. Have a great day.